But we're going on with this weather, boy. Every single day reading, boy. He's up now. Me gonna talk to him. Alright. Read. Yo. I know you, man. Oh. Read.
Who's this person calling me? What you want?
What I want is what the people want. We want this son to come and call long here, man, but you ready for 7 days straight, what fun? You want this son fall out or what?
Just so you jump on my case, soldier. Me ain't do nothing to you. What's the problem?
First of all, brother man, I ain't jump on your case. Look how high you wait and I right here. And second of all, yes, brother man, I have a problem. Ever since you come, you raining whole day. What fun, you leaking or what?
Hey, you see me? Let me forget you before I chop off here.
But triple, boy, relax.